I mean, yeah, it's a great feeling. I mean, who would expect this would happen? Because this was such a small project. I mean, it's just a 60, 90-second clip track I did for the film. And yeah, it has found a place somewhere on a big platform, actually. No, no, no. I never expected, but yeah, any project for me, I put in my 100%. So maybe yeah, that was the fortune. Basically, this director I have known him for like years now. I have did his first Bollywood film called Angry Indian Goddesses. I did a track for that, and he liked it. And for this project, actually, he called me. It has been actually done in like 24 hours. I mean, I got a call at around 5:30 in the evening, and the project was delivered the next day, late night. Yeah, yeah, I have a small setup in my bedroom from where I work. Everything happens from there. Right now, I mean, the technology has developed so much, you don't have to travel much for that, I would say. But yeah, and then it's all, it's all learning. You learn all the way. And the new technologies which are coming, you have to be updated, and you have to have that ear to deliver professional sound. That's it. Actually, I mean, thanks to the internet, it's so fast that, I mean, we can transfer files, have con calls, whatsoever. Filmmakers, but my forte is music. So I would say if anyone has to, has passion for music, that's the important part. I mean, if you don't have passion and you are just doing for the sake of doing it, it won't work. You have to have that passion, and if you have it, I mean, things follows. I mean, you start studying, you start experimenting with things, and things fall in place. I guess. First and foremost, I mean, get your basics right. Okay, be on par with the industry standard, and then it's all about networking. I mean, you have to figure it out on your own how it has to be done. I mean, there's no set of rules. It is different for every individual. Yeah, I mean, it might be there for iffy. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, definitely it will come on some. So I mean, OTTs.